Hi friends, welcome back to Cadable. This is Engineer Prime Amar, and in this tutorial we will create this pipe using intersection curve command. So let's go to SolidWorks and let's learn this. So here you can see that I am using SolidWorks 2020, but if you are using a below version of SolidWorks or a future version of SolidWorks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to here, new, select part and select OK. And now we are in SolidWorks interface. So first of all, I will change my background to plain white and I will set my units to mmgs, which is millimeters gram second. Okay. So first we will create two surfaces. So let's say I will select front plane, sketch, and here I will create an arbitrary surface using spline. Let's say like this. I will delete this point and I will drag this point to here. Okay. Now I will exit this sketch. I will go to Surfaces tab, Extruded Surface, and I will extrude this surface from mid plane up to 100 millimeters or maybe 150 millimeter and select OK. I will change the color to orange and select OK. Now we will create another surface on the top plane. So select top plane, sketch, and here I will create another spline like this. And I will exit this sketch. Go to extrude surface and I will extrude it from mid plane, and this time maybe 70 millimeter because I only want this intersection, and I will change the color to blue and select OK. Maybe we can change the extrusion to 100. OK. Now we will create an intersection curve between two surfaces. So for this, I will go to here, search command. I will write here intersection. And here you can see the command. First, I will select this orange surface, then this blue surface, and then I will click OK. So a 3D sketch will be generated at the boundary. Okay. I will exit this. And now you can see a 3D sketch has been created at the boundary of these two surfaces. So first I will hide this surface, then I will hide this surface as well. And here I will create a plane. I will select this spline and then this point, and I will select OK. Now I will create a circle on this plane. So select sketch. And here I will create a circle like this. Let's change the diameter to 15. I will go to features, swept boss base, sketch profile, the circle, and the spline is the path. And here you can see the preview. You can make thin pipe. You can see the preview, change the direction and select OK. Rebuild. And I will change the color of this hollow pipe. Let's change it to purple. And now you can see your 3D pipe. Okay. Using the intersection curve, I will unhide these two bodies. So that's how you can use intersection curve command in SolidWorks. Here is an important message, as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.